Hey guys, hey guys, welcome back to another video. Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today, since the first video I posted on the channel got so high, and since I Subway Surfers, I decided to run it back and give you guys another 150 games. So here we go. Hope you guys enjoy the video and make sure you like the video and subscribe. Enjoy.
I don't know, Alexa. Wait, did Jason use the great rebalance? No, wait. I saw. Wait, Jason, I saw you playing. Then me and Alexa decided to join. Then we had that's your new admin abuse.
And we just pulled the secret star.
Then do fast before this sneaky DM thing ends.
I didn't noise in the background, guys. That was just my brother. So, so the game so far has been kind of cool. Hope you guys, hope you guys enjoying it too. So here we go. And we pulled another secret star, baby. And before you guys ask, yes, Flash is one of my favorite characters out of the whole game. So that's why I'm using him. So if you guys want me to change, think about. I'll think about in the next video. Just not this one. All right. Enjoy. Come on, Flash, jump. Sorry, sorry about the legends. Sorry about the Dragon Ball Legends video being cut short. It was going through some problems. Okay, guys, but don't worry. The future videos are going to be cool. So don't miss that. Since you guys showed so much love to the first video, I'm running it back with this game. After the end of this one, get up. Okay, we'll do a part 3. Yes, you're lucky cooking in this one, not gonna lie. I could get a new high score. Yep, yep, yep. I think I'm lucky getting a new high score. This, this one's looking kind of dope. I think I'm gonna get a new high score, guys. Hey, I'm looking cooking this unlike the first one. Even though it was my first video and I didn't like to make videos like this, but still, this 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 video is gonna be low-key a banger, guys. Let's see. I'm gonna get a new high score, guys. This is amazing. Oh, dang. Oh, I can be healed. Ah, this is gonna be good. Yeah, baby. We got 2 secret stars and massive high score. This video is gonna be so good. Hope you guys are liking. Hope you guys will like the video and subscribe since I really want to get to summer hat. He was never in all these things. I have to do that, guys. He's really cooking out. This, this could be this could be the climax, guys. I won't be able to finish this without you. because I'm gonna get a high score, and that looks like the end for fresh guys. I'm not gonna use an egg, so I'll just leave it be. Let's see if I got the high score. Hmm. Huh, that wasn't a high score. A new high score. I'm doing, but either way, it'll go on me. Ish ads. Well, well, thanks for the love and support you guys have shown. Thanks for all the love and support you guys have shown me over the past few videos. Thank you guys, and keep showing love and support for all the videos. But that was it. So Subway Surgery Part 2, love and support. Hope you guys enjoyed. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.